Myself, Mahi Avla Chavan. I learn in 4th class at JP Primary School, Tanda Dhaba. My father's name is Avinash Gopichand Chavan and my mother's name is Vaishali Avinash Chavan. My brother's name is Krish Avinash Chavan. My sister's name is Riya Avinash Chavan. And my grandfather's name is Gopichand Hardas Chavan. My grandmother's name is Lalita Gopichand Chavan. My uncle name is Rahul Gopichand Chavan. My auntie name is Pooja Rahul Chavan. My cousin brother name is Swagat Rahul Chavan and my cousin sister name is Arpita Rahul Chavan. My uncle name is Rameshwar Rohidas Rathod and my auntie name is Pulam Rameshwar Rathod.